Hello and welcome back to Talks Without a Map. I'm Rohan and sitting across is the gorgeous Riddhima. Today's topic is actually quite a reality check. Do we really like things or are we just in love with the idea of them?
Like, come on, how many of us say, I love reading, but have a bookshelf that looks more like a showroom of unread books?
Exactly. At one point, I thought I'd be this coffee expert. I bought a French press, even watched YouTube tutorials, but most mornings, instant coffee. Bas,
Huh.
khatam.
So, we love the concept of being that person, well read, coffee snob, fitness freak. But in reality, Netflix plus Maggie is the true vibe, right?
Yes. Take hiking for example. The idea of it is so attractive, like fresh air, sunrise, mountains. But when you're actually on the trail, you're panting halfway. बस घर बुलाओ कोई.
Same with yoga. Sunrise yoga by the beach. Sounds like Instagram heaven, but reality, snooze button blanket and zero flexibility.
Yeah, travel also actually, because we dream of mountain life, we dream of silence, minimalism, but 2 days in and we are like, okay, now where's the Wi-Fi, where's the coffee machine, and why is it this bed is not a 5-star comfy?
So it's not always the thing we love, it's how it makes us feel about ourselves, right? Like, I love the idea of cooking exotic recipes, but the truth, Swiggy knows my dinner plans better than I do.
Yes, and speaking of that comes also another crucial part, that is relationships.
Huh.
Do we really like someone? Do we really want to be with someone? Or just the idea of being with that person is what is drawing us?
Yeah, you said that right. Like,
Yeah.
even getting married,
Oh God.
okay?
Yeah.
Getting
yeah.
married is for Insta stories, Insta post. उसके लिए होता है कि actually you want to get married or you want to get into that serious relationship and you want to get into the parenthood. अभी even the pregnant ladies,
Hmm.
have you seen those posts?
Yeah. Totally.
But उसके बाद then they get into depression and all, यार.
Acha.
If you are loving it so much, the motherhood, then embrace it.
Mhm.
Whatever the flaws or whatever are the pluses, embrace and
Yeah,
just
yeah.
enjoy it.
That's quite deep actually. That's
Yeah.
true, but it's deep, but it's true.
Yeah.
And whether it is marriage, whether it is pregnancy, is it that we are craving for the idealistic things that come out of
हाँ.
it, or जो दिखाया गया है,
हाँ.
like Bharat and people, you're the center of attraction
हाँ.
during that marriage day of yours,
हाँ.
and then mehendi hai rachne wali and all, you know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
nowadays also there is sangeet.
Yeah, shosha basically.
So yes,
Huh.
exactly. Even with pregnancy, just having a kid and playing with that kid every
Huh,
day and
huh,
every night, and
But behind the cameras, it
Behind
could
the
be like
yeah.
सर पे हाथ रख के.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So is the idea that is fascinating us, or do we truly deeply from inside want this particular thing?
That's a big question.
Yes, exactly. So I also feel like, not just in relationships in general, when we are talking about this topic of uh, actually being in love or loving something, or being in love with the idea of something, I think we build this story in our heads where we are the perfect hero, we're the perfect heroine of our life, and then the other person is basically a co-star in
Yeah.
our imagination. I think as a kid, even I had done that. I had created stories of my own where I was the center of
वो तो
yeah, or ऐसी life वैसी life, and then these
हाँ.
people, like, not parents per se, but other people in my life are the supporting characters. So it's
Characters,
fascinating how we think this way, thanks to films, thanks to other digital
Now
content.
digital, yeah.
मेरे बचपन में तो it was just films and books
TV,
and
yeah.
TV and stuff like that. So it's how the human brain also works, what we receive, what the kind of information as a kid that we receive.
And then it processes it and then
Yeah.
accordingly it starts acting.
Exactly. So we need to ponder over this thing. We need to realize कि ये सच्ची में हमें चाहिए या बस उसी में
हाँ,
गया है.
दिखावे के
Yeah,
लिए.
it reminds me of Bhool Bhulaiya, in which Vidya Balan
हाँ.
is just so deeply connected to her childhood that it leads to what happens next in the film. तो ये सबके साथ होता है. Let's just say, I think there are 9 out of 10 of us live in that imagination zone.
Yeah.
And
I think 10 out of 10, like,
9.5 out of
okay,
10. I feel like
if
there
you
are
say so.
some sucked people, I would say there are,
Okay.
who are so practical, and they have zabardast control over their emotions. तो उनके वो that imagination and stuff doesn't happen. They're like, आज का दिन ये करना है, this is what the world demands, this is what you need to do, ऐसी ऐसी जिंदगी हमें जीनी है. They're very practical and there's lots to learn also from
Yeah.
such people.
But over practical भी अच्छा नहीं होता
हाँ,
है ना.
इसलिए वो 0.5 लोग ही हैं ना. बाकी तो हम जैसे
Yeah.
people are there. And it also makes me wonder, are we living our lives, like literally living our lives, or just collecting Instagram worthy ideas of lives?
हाँ.
Yeah,
Yeah,
कि
that's
Instagram पे दिखाना है इसलिए ये करते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah. That has happened of late, I guess.
In what areas you think people are doing this?
In every area. Every area.
मतलब you think अगर हमारा get together है, like school का get together हो गया, then rather than enjoying moments, we're like clicking selfies and pictures and posting it so that somebody else will see how we are enjoying it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, we can click a picture for our memory,
Huh.
but now recently I've just traveled to America. I've seen people, rather than enjoying that moment,
Huh.
they are too busy clicking pictures and videos so that probably they'll share it on Instagram later.
But you know what? Ki now I'm also a content creator. So for me, it's a
That's a different profession altogether.
Yeah.
And you can recognize a person who's a content creator
Huh.
and someone who's not.
Huh.
There are people who are constantly on their basic phones and recording everything.
Huh.
So are you actually present in the moment and loving the moment, or are you just in the thought कि अरे भाई इससे शायद आगे चलकर मैं कुछ post कर पाऊंगा, या nobody is going to come and actually view the videos again.
Huh.
जो लेते हैं ना videos and photos, nobody has the time to actually do it. I mean, what I mean to say is enjoy that moment.
Yeah.
That's how.
No, I do enjoy the moment, but at the same time, you know, being a content creator, I feel, you know, ki I have to, I need this content for my videos or for Instagram feed. वो भी लगता है.
Yeah, but otherwise, like, tell me, for example, now you went to New Zealand last year. Was it like every time you wanted to click a picture or a video, or were there times you like, listen, I don't want any bandhan. I just want to be free. I just want to be myself over here, and I don't want to show the world that this is where I am and what
And
I'm
that
doing.
was my content also na,
Arre
on my
baap re.
YouTube and Insta. That was my feed
But
also.
some point over there, at some point, maybe when you were inside the house, when you were just taking a small walk or a brisk, sometime you must have felt...
No. That time I would restrict myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that is your time. That is completely your
Yeah,
time. So
yeah.
you need to realize कि ये मेरे लिए मैं कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ या किसी और को दिखाने के लिए, और उस idea से I'm getting more fascinated that I will show this to someone and then you know they will feel inspired or jealous or जो भी.
हाँ, इंस्पायर होने के लिए yes. For me it's purely inspiration. Like life में इतने सारे ups and downs होते हैं, but like you know, say as I always say, my mantra is carpe diem, and like I can't follow it 100%, but maximum I use that in my life.
So do you think ups and downs also give you a reality check that also brings you more on the ground and less on that imagination side, that just the idea of liking or loving something? Because I have seen like बचपन में we all fall prey to this thing ki imagination ki duniya, and just being in love with the idea of something rather than actually liking something. But the moment you go through struggles and see ups and downs, you're much more grounded, you much more think practically, and
of course
reality check aa jati hai.
Of course.
Yeah, that's all.
It often happens with me when it comes to clothes. Okay, whenever I see a plus size model wearing some fancy clothes, I feel अरे इस पे अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो मुझ पर भी अच्छा लगेगा, and then I feel yeah, even I should have that, and then I buy it, and then probably I wear it once, and then I feel no, it's not suiting me, or I'm not comfortable in that, and then it goes to
So the idea of that clothing or that model wearing it is probably what attracted you, but in reality probably you weren't that comfortable. Or it sometimes happens with food and recipes also. Like for me personally, I don't like matcha a lot.
हाँ
but then वो दिखता इतना अच्छा है and then everybody is
green
having it, so you have
color,
that,
yeah.
you fall in that this thing, अरे कि मुझे भी पीना चाहिए,
हाँ
but then the moment you have a sip you're not
Yeah.
big fan of it.
Yeah.
That's at least with me.
yeah
So it happens. Or spicy food, some people have that thinking नहीं मुझे spicy
हाँ
खाना है,
हाँ
but once they have
You
their
can't.
first they can't.
Yeah.
So वो भी होता
हाँ.
है, right?
There's another thing, like, you know, when I'm traveling, I see a lot of new things, and then I feel like, arey, let's buy this because we don't get this thing back in India. But then when I get it home, then बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि वो वैसे ही रह जाती है एंड आई इट्स नॉट यूज्ड मे बी इट कैन बी सम कॉस्मेटिक्स और क्लोथ्स और सम शो पीसेस whatever, and then now it makes me think whenever I go somewhere, then it makes me think कि अरे ये लूँ या नहीं लूँ, like, you know, is it really necessary, or should I spend that kind of money in to buy that stuff?
yeah
You know, अभी इतने सालों के बाद अभी मेरे को वो realize हो रहा है. Another thing is gifting.
yeah
Okay, you buy a lot of things for gifting, and then when you gift it to someone, they are like, you know, for them it may be valuable or not valuable.
That's not in our hands, but that's,
yeah.
so,
And abhi, see, earlier it was a different time, like, you know, you were not, I mean, the things were not so accessible.
correct.
And अभी सब चीज़ सब जगह मिल रही है.
yeah
So ये गिफ्टिंग का भी आई थिंक ये थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए ना.
कम होना चाहिए. And also this also reminds me of a topic we had taken in the previous season of living abroad.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे भी it applies कि are you really willing to live there, are you really willing to make a life there, or is just the idea of living in a foreign
Yeah.
country.
Yeah.
So I mean we can give numerous examples.
See, because in olden days it was like कि अरे मेरा लड़का फॉरेन गया है. See, that used to be something.
So it's conditioned also. I think
yeah.
it's also we are conditioned that way.
Yeah.
कि ऐसे ऐसे मतलब ऐसे ऐसे ही होता
Yeah.
है.
मीन्स डॉलर्स में कमा रहा है, बट
हाँ.
दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि टैक्सेस में कितना जाता है वहाँ का स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ
yeah,
लिविंग,
yeah.
देन बाकी के खर्चे
Other
इतने होते
struggles,
हैं.
that happens, yeah.
Now you're just back from US. You
Yeah.
were telling me that things are quite
Oh my
expensive
God,
out
really?
there.
You need to earn in dollars to
Yeah,
spend in dollars
yeah,
out there. Yeah. So
yeah.
everything has its own reality, and we just
Yeah.
need to know, and we first need to introspect if we really want and like something, or is it just the
Yeah,
idea that we
idea.
are fascinated
Very
by.
true,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
true.
So tell us, what was your fascination growing up, or still rather what you think about, but later you also feel like अरे ये बस मैं सोच रहा हूँ या सोच रही हूँ, reality में ऐसा नहीं है. That like shouldn't stop you from dreaming, obviously.
Dreaming, yeah.
So let us know.
And after all, if you see, everything boils down to your happiness and peace of mind, right? So as long as you're happy and you have that peace of mind, everything is fair. So what makes you wonder? Are we living our lives or just collecting Instagram-worthy ideas of lives? Instagram filters off, please.